Follow this step-by-step installation guide to install your new GROHE product easily. You will find the following items in your package. You will need the following tools and accessories for assembly. Before dismantling your roll unit, identify the hot and cold water feeds, then shut off the water supply. Prepare parts and tools with close access to the connections. Take out the installation instructions, be sure to store them after installation. Pick up the mixer and watertight seal. Place the watertight seal over the two hoses. Position the watertight seal so that it sits securely on the base of the tap and hold it there. Pass the hoses through the hole in the sink for the mixer. Place the mixer so that the watertight seal is in contact with the sink. Hold the mixer in this position. Hint: use the hoses to hold the mixer firmly until it is attached. Place the stabilization ring over the hoses and then along the threaded rod. Similarly, place the tightening seal. Lastly, place the tightening nut. Hand tighten the nut to the maximum. Release the mixer, which is now held in place, and visually check its proper orientation. Adjust it if necessary. Hold the mixer and use a 13mm open-end wrench to tighten the nut without forcing. Make sure seals are present in the hoses. If not, add a fiber or rubber seal. Screw the left-hand hose onto the hot water faucet and the right-hand hose on the cold water faucet. Tighten with a 19mm open-end wrench. Make sure there are no kinks or bends in the hoses. Turn on your water supply to the basin mixer tap. Make sure everything is watertight. Make sure the mixer is operating properly. Congratulations, you have now finished installing your new GROHE product. Check our other installation guides and discover all of our products on GROHE.com/UK.